As I said, some are even 70%, from 50%, 30%, and regular discounts even 20%.
What Milo said, we are all watched with optimism during our first day of sales.
However, what really differentiates Cebu Home's mid-year sale from other sales is because we do not just give a uniform, regular discount, but we work on and we are giving more discount on our own exclusive brands. If you're planning to renovate your bathroom, our cool and aquamix products such as sanitary ware, faucets, mirrors, vanity cabinets, shower panels are offered for as low as 50 to 20% discount. Our ceramic tiles build brand starts at 119 pesos only for size 60 by 60. Check out our first time offer on big format tiles at 20%. Spanish wood tiles now at less 40. Pre-dawn laminated floors at 20%. For lighting, chandeliers and drop lights as low as 70 to 50%. Italian Fumagalli brand outdoor lighting at 20%. For the handyman, those who love hardwares and gadgets and tools, we have Fighter brand door locks, brand fittings, Kitchen Pro kitchenware basket at less 20%. Check out our Kendo hand tools and Max Pro power tools also at 20%. All these and more for the buying Cebuano public to avail of and enjoy during our mid-year sale. Let us join hands together in this undertaking of just not a simple sales campaign, or rather a big mid-year sales campaign, but more importantly, in helping our economy get back going again.
This mid-year sale is beyond a sale. It gives, it's showing economic recovery, the confidence of our consumers and our customers, and they will open up to renovating homes, and they're going to show how important building and rebuilding and renovating is to, brighten our lives, right?
We have an ongoing portal on our website that offers the same discounts. No? So it was also an opportunity for us during last year when the pandemic started. we also jump-started our website portal. So we are active in most of our products, and most of our in-house brands are all in the website. We also cater to Facebook inquiries as well as other social media outlets.
But beyond that, we have our own house brand, and these house brands one would be able to get more discounts. As I said, some are even 70%, from 50%, 30%, and regular discounts even 20%. So
you can find that majority of the physical products are here. But on any of the 4 stores, they can see it in our system. So if you see an item here and order it from Mactan and Bacalso, Milanilla, or Consolacion, it is still online. They can serve you in whatever way. So all of the products are online in our system.
We separated the lighting showroom, the Talanbat showroom, and the rest is the supermarket hardware shop. So what's the major brand in this area is our very own brand, Malco. That's Malco bulbs that we actually import ourselves. The chandeliers, the lamps of many teams, other the traditional, modern, and all, we also import them ourselves.
Just see what they got.
Like tour me tour. This is our Talanbat showroom. So most of our imported items are placed here, and then they are imported from different countries: Spain, Turkey, Vietnam, Malaysia, Indonesia, India, and of course China. We also have some local items, but these are the smaller items that are all in the hardware shop. No? So from here, we separated this so that we can give them a feel of how they're going to use certain materials in their homes. So medyo like stylish siya, like for example, this one with a bathtub. And then we also have an array of sanitary wares. We have an array of sanitary wares that are often sold in a package. Complete na siya, lavatory, water closet, soap and paper holder, and the tap fittings, no? So we sell that in a package para in-buy sa customer nato, diretso na lang install complete na yung bathroom. Of course, accessorized with our tiles. We have the 60 by 120, 80 by 160, and the 120 by 240. The Europeans are now promoting small tiles, and these are in a form of decorations like that. For example, this is a 10 by 10 size. Okay, this is an example of a small tile that is essential for hotel walls, kitchen walls, in homes. You can use it also in kitchens, splash, in your toilet, or even an accent wall anywhere in the house. Gaining popularity again and again, is our subway tiles. In fact, we have more models coming. It's like retro, it's like rustic, it's like... Nowadays, what we notice is like many people are renovating not their entire homes, but just a part of their home, just to change how it looks, change the ambience, and this is very popular. This is actually a porcelain tile that is thicker, and if you will look at it closer, where's the tinuod na lava stone? So this is done on print jet made in Spain from El Molino. Kani siya tinuod na siya nga bato. This is Carrara, this is Botticino, and these are your basalt stone cut. These are natural stone. I mean, in the past 2 years, we have been supplying a lot of projects like for this in big quantities. They put it on the garage and everywhere. So we thought of bringing them here. We call them thick tiles, and they are really designed for the outdoors. Pwede rin mo siya ipatong sa grass mo. Pulaan ka, ibalin mo sa laing lugar pwede. Kung project, usually we import them on Indian. Projects we'll talk about. This is another product. Iba na uso ang mga pools. Okay, wading pools, swimming pool, whatever form. So what's so special about this is antibacterial. So the more it's exposed in the sun, the more active its antibacterial activity does. So it's very appropriate, especially in public pools. Normally, my God, if you will look at the tiles, ang iyang backing is white. Here, it's salt and pepper body, full color. Usik color is the same as the surface. So it's very appropriate on the outdoors. Okay, wear and tear, di mo malikayan, labi na kung commercial, hardly you will know nga na siya garas. One of the most popular models I have is supermarkets. And then you will just pick and put on a cart and then pay. Okay, so everything for home improvement is here. That even your usual daddy handyman can do and buy from here. Okay? So those are actually electrical, and then we have the bathroom accessories, and here of course the major is the tiles, and here are other flooring products. The rest there are architectural hardwares and power tools. Everything is here. So the sanitary or faucets. It also has other products like bathroom furniture, bathtubs, kitchen sinks, faucets. Everything that you need inside the bathroom is...
So guys, I'm here again. It's mid-year sale of CebuHomeandBuilders. So naglaag na sa ko guys. Mangital sa ta, mabudol na sa ta. So nipuyo po ni Madam.
Here we have from Nippon Paints, from Island Paints, and Boysen. The clients now are given the opportunity to choose. So whichever color they like, they just discuss and then they mix. We just have to wait for a few minutes. So we have 3 brands for paint mixing. We have Boysen, Island, and Nippon. But the usual figure kung pila ang cost of paint na i-mix. So we have practical hand tools that you can buy. and keep in your home so that if there are minor repairs that you need to attend to, pwede ninyong matingan. In fact, they come in packages like this. Depende na lang sa excise and requirements. And one of our important brands is Canlo. They come in packages like that you can just store in your houses. Nana siya martilyo, nana siya pliers, nana siya plumbing fittings. So, di siya ingon nga pang karpintero lang siya. It's for even as women can use it. Ang uban ng cake there is, they use on countertops. Basta ka maulang ang main store, it's no problem.
Countertop na. Nagpalit ko mga locks. And buktanan. So, mauna siya guys. Oh, sorry. Okay.